438 Oak Circle in Colchester offers the kind of lifestyle that's getting harder to find. Peaceful surroundings, natural light, and a location that keeps everyday living simple. Set among the trees with a surprising amount of sunshine, this townhouse-style condo feels private and comfortable from the moment you walk in. The main living space has an open layout with warm hardwood floors, flexible room arrangements, and a large sliding door that leads out to an oversized deck. A great spot for summer dinners, morning coffee, or relaxing outdoors as the landscaping comes into bloom. Upstairs, you'll find 2 well-sized bedrooms, a full bath, and convenient second-floor laundry. This home has been thoughtfully updated and is move-in ready. And the location makes daily life easy. Just minutes to Interstate 89, close to shopping, restaurants, and essentials, with a quick commute into Burlington, South Burlington, or anywhere around Chittenden County. If you've been looking for low-maintenance living with privacy, convenience, and a little extra character, this Colchester condo is worth a look.